In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily download and install Canon MF3010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed that, kindly wait until a best match should appear. And once it's here, all you need to do is you need to double tap to it to continue. In a few moments, you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until a search bar would show up here at the center before we proceed. Okay, so once it's here, please type for Canon space MF3010 driver. Again, it is Canon MF3010 driver, and then hit the enter key the moment you have typed it. So eventually you would be able to see this result just like any of this. Anyway, they have similar options rather. Okay, so from here you would be able to see this kind of window. All you need to do is you need to click on download. And in a while, the download is getting started. So all you need to do is you need to navigate to the upper right side of that and wait until this would be done before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once it is being downloaded, all you need to do is you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, please make a right click. Okay, go with this cat icon. Again, make a right click and go with this cat icon. Close the window as well as this one, and here at the desktop, make a right click and go with paste. Once it is being pasted here, you need to make a right click again and go with extract to using the WinRAR tool. Okay, or you can simply double tap to it, and in that way you would be able to extract the file. So in a moment it would be extracted. Please wait until it would be successfully extracted or unzipped in this window. So once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the bottom side where you can see start icon, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now here at the settings, directly navigate to the left side where you can see Bluetooth and devices, and from here please select for printers and scanners. So tap on it and eventually you would be able to see this kind of window. Please select with add device and wait until you can see another option where you can manually install our printer driver, and once it's here click on add manually, and in a few seconds this kind of window would appear. Select with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Again, select any of this three USB port, click on next, and from here go with have this, click on browse, and since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down, double tapped, select with drivers, double tapped and double tapped, go with the driver and it will show up any of the driver here. Just select any of that, go with open, click on OK, and eventually you would be able to see this one. So all you need to do is you need to click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done since we're almost there. Okay, so please click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Canon MF3010 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.